going on, everybody? Gonna make this a super quick video. Right now, this is the best deal I've ever seen on a high-end Roomba. This is the S9 Plus, which you can get by itself for $8.99, which is an awesome deal. Then if you were looking into that Braava Jet M6, you can add that Braava Jet for basically $270 if you buy the combo. So not only are you saving the S9 Plus and getting it for $8.99, which is already a great price, then you can add the M6 for basically $270. And the M6 goes for, I believe, $400. Let's find out. Yeah, $400. So you're saving on the S9 Plus, and you're getting an extra $130 off the already sale price of the M6 Plus, which is an awesome freaking deal. Just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. Very, very good deal. Actually, you know what? Looking at this, this might even be a tiny bit better. S9 Plus with the Braava Jet M6, $1149. So actually now you're only looking at $250, and this is the new black version that just came out. Same exact robot as the white, but they made it black, which I think actually looks pretty cool. So $250 to add that is a steal. And I just want to throw that out there. I'm going to put links down in the description. Please click those links if you don't mind. I make a few dollars for the sale. And also, if you don't mind, like and subscribe. I try to throw out deals like this all the time. And if you're looking for an S9 and an M6, I don't think this price will ever get cheaper than this. All right, have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.